Luke Town it is. Team Deathmatch. Let's go. We're doing it. I love this map, trust me. Alright, I'm gonna change my class. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna go for custom one. Alright, I'm gonna keep it to Ajax. So should I, and I'm gonna switch. Should I put her on? Oh, should I put him? I don't know who to put on. I don't know. Battery. Yeah, I'm staying with Ajax. Alright, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Alright, we're gonna go. I don't know why I always go up the stairs. I just like it. I just like it, yeah. Oh, let me see if I can get the first blood. Oh, go on. Yes, we got the first one. I think, hopefully. Alright, let me see, there should be more enemies. I'm going up. Okay, no one there. But there's someone over. I did not see that coming. Alright, so that he's dead, so I'm gonna go this way. And I'm just gonna. I don't know what this does, I'm just gonna throw it. I'm just gonna go that way. Let me see if I see any. Oh, I see one there. Got one. Got the other. Try to get one more. Got one there, bitches. I got that. Alright. Oh, wow, fuck. How did they get me? Alright, even. Just gonna pop those as usual for me. Alright. What? I swear that was meant to be headshot, or am I just missing my shots? Wow, I forgot he was there. I'm low in it, I was low in it, so excuse me. Alright, there should be one. No, he's with the flamethrower, so there's nothing to do. But my KD's at 1.525, that's actually good. Alright, let's go up. Alright, which way? Where are the enemies at? There he is, there's one. There's another. Oh shit, I'm dead. Why am I so shit? My aim is shit. Everything is shit. Alright, even. I'm gonna carry on going. Now. Know what? There we go. That's one headshot. Alright, let me see. There should be another one here somewhere. Oh shit. I got another one. I'm sorry if I stole the kill. One more. Oh, yes. Alright. Oh shit. Kill. Okay, not too late. Got him though. Okay, carry on going up. Oh, as usual, I always do this. Surprise! I'm right behind you. Never saw you coming. I'm gonna switch his gun and see how his gun is. Alright. Oh, this gun's actually kind of good. Okay, that won't work. Let me see if there's any others coming. Don't know what I'm doing. Why am I camping? Okay, he just came out of nowhere. He's using dead silence. Clever guy. Unfortunately, I saw him. Alright, so I'm just gonna go. I see one. How the hell did he not know it was me? But it's a bit too late to put that on. I see you there. Aha. God, this gun's actually good. I call in for air support. Let's see if there's any others. Nope. Oh, okay, let's go. Another one right over there. And again, headshot. Now in case, although that's not worth it for me, but it's still good enough. At least got saved by one. Oh, you know what I mean. I know things. Oh, I see that one. I'm gonna go outside. He's over there. He has to be here. What am I doing? Why am I shooting under the stairs? I'm just gonna go there. He's stupid, man. This guy's a noob. You noob. Fucking shut the game. Just gonna go up. Alright, no one there. I'm just gonna call in for helicopter support. Alright, let's see now, mate. Oh shit. I'm gonna reload. Oh my days, I have to go back now. Ah, yeah, my helicopter will do it. Oh, yeah. Don't be clever. Yeah, my helicopter just do the job. I'm not gonna do anything. Just gonna stand there. Ooh, 3.50. My KD is high. Oh shit, I got mad KD for that. I thought he was one there, but it looks like I'm blind because I'm not wearing my glasses. Why does that look like comb? But I'm gonna come back there. What is that thing? Any of you guys put in the comments here if you know what that thing is. You know, wrong person. There it is. Get one. Get another. Oi, that's this gun. Sorry, it's not fast though. I'm gonna bomb someone. I'm not a terrorist, but bomb someone. Oh shit! I got them. Oi, the missile. Oh shit. Eh? I thought he was real then. Shit, he's not real. I can't move him at all. Oh shit. Oh no. I'm dead. I think. Yeah, I got gangbanged. They're all over me. 4. My KD is actually sick. Alright, gonna go at those. I'm gonna go in around. Oh, got one. See, this is going so much more faster compared to the other one. And I'm gonna get out. I'm just gonna stop camping. You guys are gonna give hate. I'm gonna stop camping for you lot. There's one. Got you. Got double kill, mate. Oh, another one with a slide. That's a sick trick. I don't know about that, but alright. Oh shit. Oh shit. I was a bit too late. Oh, I thought you were an enemy then. There's one. Oh, fuck off. I'm gonna go. Move. Wow. Steal my kill. Steal. Oh, I see. Why am I sliding? I'm stupid. I'm stupid. It's called stupidity. Alright, he's there, so I'm gonna go that way. I always keep checking my KD. I don't know why. I think I improved. Took a bet. Thingy. This is one. Where can I go? I don't have a knife, so I can't really thingy stop anyone. Oh shit, I was a bit too low for that. Oh shit, headshot, mate. Well, I thought you didn't kill him, so I'm gonna go up. Sneak around. Okay, no one there. Just gonna get out. Hey, we got the victory. We got the victory, mate. Oh, let's beat them by 15. Alright, let's see who got best play. Yo, my KD is 360 at the end. Highest is 4. Mad KD. Mad. Nuketown. OG.
Cause she keep calling every single night.